Hello, friends! I am very excited to start our new unit together today. To introduce what we will be learning about this month is our special friend. He came to us from the Dallas Zoo, Mr. Penguin! Hello! Mr. Penguin is so excited because this month we are learning about, what is it, Mr. Penguin? The zoo! That's right, and all of the zoo animals. You see many of them behind me here. Our story this week is called Zoo Animals. We will be focusing today on these 12 vocabulary words, labeling the animals that we see in the zoo and learning a little bit about them. Now stay tuned. At the end of our lesson, we'll be reviewing about the animals that we learned about in this nonfiction book. And we will be singing the Zoo Animals song to help us remember these vocabulary words. Without further ado, let's get started reading Zoo Animals. Mr. Penguin, will you listen with us? Yes, okay. He's gonna sit down and listen too. I'm so excited to learn about the flamingos and elephants and giraffes, and many other animals at the zoo. So let's get started. The title of our story is Zoo Animals. This story is written by Gabrielle Dixon. There are many different animals at the zoo. Let's take a look. We see elephants at the zoo. They have long noses called trunks. Friends, elephants are one of my most favorite animals. We see pandas at the zoo. They like to munch on bamboo. Can you find the panda? There it is. Let's see what animal is next. We see gorillas at the zoo. They use their hands and feet to walk. How amazing. Wow. We see monkeys at the zoo. They like to climb and swing from trees. Mr. Penguin, can you point to the monkey? Let's see. There he is! That's right, there's our monkey. All right. We see sea lions at the zoo. They have flippers for feet. We see zebras at the zoo. They have black and white stripes. Friends, will you point to the zebra with black and white stripes? There's the zebra. Let's see what other animals there are. We see polar bears at the zoo. They like to swim in the cold water. We see lions at the zoo. They have thick manes and sharp teeth. Wow, this lion is so majestic looking, isn't he? We see giraffes at the zoo. They have long necks and long legs. Look at these giraffes' long necks. We see flamingos at the zoo. They have waterproof feathers. Wow, friends, and they are such beautifully colored animals as well. Can you find the flamingo? Right up here at the top. Good job. All right. We see tigers at the zoo. They are very fast runners. And last, we see hippopotamuses at the zoo. They like to swim underwater to stay cool. Do you see them? Wow, and this is what the hippo looks like above water. Friends, thank you for reading Zoo Animals with me. Are you ready to review our zoo animals in our song? This song is called Let's Go to the Zoo. We're going to read our animal vocabulary words in the song together to practice labeling these animals. I'll teach the song to you. Here it goes. Let's go to the zoo. Let's go to the zoo. Let's go to the zoo and see the animals. I see a tiger, flamingo, and hippo, lion, zebra, and polar bear, gorilla, monkey, and giraffe, panda, sea lion, and elephant. Let's go to the zoo. Let's go to the zoo. Let's go to the zoo and see the animals. All right, friends, thank you so much for joining me for our zoo lesson. Next time, we will focus specifically on elephants. All right, friends, we will see you then. Bye-bye.